Hi, Håkan Nordkvist is my name. Most of my life I've been working with sustainability, change, and how companies and organizations can build sustainable businesses. I will join you the 28th of November and share some of my experiences during my journey. I will talk about the current sustainability trends and what type of future those leads us towards, but also what type of business opportunities those pose for us. I'll talk about innovation and how innovation can enable us to build those sustainable businesses and how innovation can transform our companies and businesses. Thirdly, I will talk about what type of mindset shift we need to have and what type of culture we need to create to harness those business opportunities and to drive that innovation within our company. Looking forward to see you the 28th of November, and until then, take care. Bye-bye.